Welcome to Bidar International School's online learning. This is Mathematics for Grade 5. We are in Term 2, Week 9, between 1st of February 2021 to 5th of February 2021. This is Lesson 2 for Week 9. Divisibility rule for larger numbers and multiplying and dividing by larger numbers. In the previous class, we already discussed the same divisibility rule from 2 up to 10. Now we are proceeding with divisibility rule for 100. If the last two digits are 0, that means if it ends with two zeros, then the number is divisible by 100. Example, 700. In 700, last two digits are 00. So 700 is a 100 divisible number. 5800. In 5800, last two digits are 00. So 5800 is a 100 divisible number. Let's move to divisibility rule for 25. If the last two digits are 00, 25, 50 or 75, then the number is divisible by 25. Let's take an example, 725. In 725, the last two digits are 25. So 725 is a 25 divisible number. Let's see another example. 5350. In 5350, last two digits are 50. That means we have to see the ending two numbers. In 5350, the last two digits are 50. So 5350 is a 25 divisible number. Let's move to divisibility rule for 50. If the last two digits are 00 or 50, then the number is divisible by 50. Example, 850. In 850, the last two digits are 50. So, 850 is a 50 divisible number. Let's see another example, 1600. It ends with two zeros. So, 1600 is a 50 divisible number. Let's see a recap from 2 up to this 125, 50. Let's start with 2. For 2, the conditions are the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisibility rule for 3. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. 4. The last two digit is divisible by 4. The divisibility rule for 5. The last digit is 0 or 5. For 6, the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility rule for 9. Sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Rule for 10. The last digit is 0. 100. Last two digits are 0, 0. 25. Last two digits are 25, 50, 75 or 00. For 50, the last two digits are either 50 or 100. Okay. Let's move to multiplying a number by 10. To multiply by 10, just add 0 at the end of the number. See, 78 times 10 which is equal to 780. We add 0 at the end. While multiplying by 10, we just move the numbers from its current place value to its next higher place value. See, in 78, the place value of 7 in 78 is 10 and place value of 8 in 78 is ones. But after multiplying, the place value of 7 moved to 100 and place value of 8 moved to tens. And we add 1 0 at the end at the unit place. Let's see another example also. 496 multiplied by 10. From 100 place, the 4 moved to 1000 place. The 9 which is in tens place moved to 100 place. The 6 which is in unit place or ones place moved to tens place. And we add 0 at the end which is ones place or unit place. Multiplying a number by 100. It's just adding 2 zeros at the end. The rule is same like a 10 but we add 2 zeros. Therefore, while multiplying by 100, we move the number from its current place value to next 2 higher place value. Let's see an example. 46 times 100 which gives you 4600. From the tens place, 4 has been moved to thousands place. The 6 which is in ones place has been moved to hundreds place. And we added 2 zeros in tens place and in ones place. Let's see another example. 986 times 100. In 986, the 9 has the place value 100, 8 has the value in the place of tens and 6 is in the place of ones. After multiplying, it has been moved. 9 from its 100 place has been moved to 10,000 place. 8 which is in tens place has been moved to 1000 place. 6 which is in ones place has been moved to hundreds place. And we add 2 zeros, 1 0 in tens place and 1 0 in unit place. Let's say how to divide a number by 0. If the number has 0 at the end, just remove the 0. To divide by 100, to divide by 10, just remove the 0 if the number has 0 at the end. There are 3 examples I have given you. 420 divided by 10. Just removing the 0, we get 42. 7680 divided by 10. But after removing the 0, which is equal to 768. 4570 divided by 10, which is equal to 457. While dividing the number by 100, if it has 2 zeros at the end, just remove those 2 zeros. To divide by 100, just remove the 2 zeros if the number has 2 zeros at the end. 7200 divided by 100 after removing the 2 zeros, which is equal to 72. 9800 divided by 100, which is equal to 98. 3500 divided by 100, which is equal to 35. While dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, if it doesn't have zeros at the end, so what we have to do? To divide a whole number by 10, 100 or 1000, move the decimal point to the left as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. I repeat, to divide a whole number by 10, 100 or 1000, move the decimal point to the left as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. That means we imaginary keep a decimal point after the number. For example, 629 divided by 10. It doesn't have any decimal point, but we should imaginary keep a decimal point after that 9. So from that it moves to the left side and it will become 62.9. Let's see another example. 629 divided by 100. It has 2 zeros. So from the right it should move 2 decimal point to the left. So we will get the answer 6.29. If it is divided by 1000 which has 3 zeros. So from 9 you should move 3 numbers to the left and keep a decimal point. So we will get the answer 0.629. Hope you understand the video. If you have any doubt, watch the video one more time for your clear understanding. Thank you.